product universe here. Pam Bondi will bring justice for California in spite of Gavin Newsom's ineptitude.
I do have a 9 o'clock meeting, you guys.
Attorney General, we've heard the president use the word insurrectionist repeatedly. What is his bar for invoking the Insurrection Act? And can you describe some of the conversations around that particular topic that have been underway?
Well, sure. Right now it's keeping California safe. If Gavin Newsom isn't going to keep California safe, we are. You know, they imposed a curfew last night. I think that helped a bit. But today, we wanted them to declare, they didn't declare an economic disaster out there with all of the businesses. Had they done that, Kelly Loeffler and the Small Business Association could have come in and helped, given federal aid to all of these businesses in California. We've been seeing on the news all of these drugstores getting robbed, getting looted. The Apple store just got raided. I mean, we're all watching this live on the news. And this isn't just looting to me. You think people just run in, take something, leave, and nothing happens? We're using the Hobbs Act. We are charging robbery to protect Californians under this. If you loot a store, we are going to charge you with robbery under the Hobbs Act, and you're looking at maximum 20 years in prison. But we're going to prosecute you for that. Identifying people now, it's a different world. The guy with the cinder blocks, we were able to identify him. Great FBI work, DEA, ATF, all working together with ICE, with Homeland Security. Great partnership out there. And our National Guard, to wrap back to your question, our National Guard, our Marines, they have come in to protect our buildings, the Marines have come in to protect the National Guard. It is total chaos out there. We're all watching it on the news. And, you know, they're throwing bricks. We had a law enforcement officer injured. They're throwing bricks at cars, and this is very orchestrated. They're not just cinder bricks. They had hammers in place. They're breaking them up. We've all seen on the news where the sidewalks, they're coming in with these huge sledgehammers, breaking up the sidewalks and taking these huge pieces of concrete, throwing them off a bridge, throwing them at people. It's truly a miracle that no one has been seriously injured or killed yet. But we're going to do everything within our legal authority to protect our law enforcement officers and all the people in California right now. You know, you guys, this is serious out there. We want to protect people. We want to protect law enforcement and all the hard-working people there who are trying to go to work every day. Their businesses are shuttered. They can't do anything because of this, and it has to stop.
God bless Pam Bondi. She wants to protect California and will do everything in her power to protect and bring justice to the Californians who have been devastated by the recent LA riots. Riots that California Governor Gavin Newsom could have nipped in the bud by enacting the National Guard right away. He should have sent in the National Guard when he first had any inkling that unrest and violence was going to take place. But he did not take this decisive action. President Trump had to come in like a knight in shining armor to enact the National Guard on a federal level because Newsom did not have the balls to save his city from looting and destruction. It doesn't seem like he cares if his city is destroyed or not because he has done nothing about it. A real leader had to step in and take action. The real leader being President Donald J. Trump. Pam Bondi and Donald Trump want Los Angeles to be safe and for the violence to stop. So that is why they took decisive action and are continuing to take action. They are not going to sit back and watch LA burn like Gavin Newsom. They're going to establish law and order in an effort to stop the violence. Pam Bondi, as she said, will find the dangerous criminals who have been destroying property and looting in LA. She will bring justice for the people of California. She and President Trump will find those who architect these riots and put them behind bars. But that's just my 2 cents, and you're entitled to your 2 cents. If you want, share your opinion in the comments below, as all viewpoints are welcome. If you enjoyed this informational and educational video, then give the video a like and turn on my channel notifications so that you will be notified the next time I release a new video. Thanks for watching. God bless you and God bless America. Click on the videos on the screen to continue watching my content.